people actually now feel that the impact could just be temporary and that there could be a bounce back soon. In fact, this is something that's been echoed by TV Narendran, the MD of Tata Steel as well. Speaking to CNBC TV 18's Anshu Sharma on the sidelines of the Make in Odisha conclave, he adds that he is hopeful that the GST bill will pass through.
Demonetisation has had an impact, but I believe it is temporary. There has been a little bit of a slowdown in offtake in rural markets where transactions are largely done on cash. But I think beyond that, I don't see a very significant change. There is some shrinkage in products sold to rural markets like motorcycles and things like that. But I think we will tide over the crisis in the next month or two. We are not affected very significantly as yet.
Considering we had a growth of 7.3% in Q2, what do you expect in Q3 and 4? Also, do you expect GST to get a passage from the state?
GDP, the forecasts today are that it's going to shrink a bit, whether it's by 30 basis points, 50 basis points. I think I'll just go by the forecast that people are making. Certainly there will be a temporary impact, I'm sure. But I think I'm hopeful the economy will bounce back even stronger after this temporary setback. GST, I hope, will get passed because I think it brings in more efficiencies into the supply chain.
How's life after MIP? It's again scheduled to end on 5th of December. So do you expect more extension? And has the company done well after so many anti-dumping duties have been imposed and safeguard duties?
Well, the industry as a whole has done well in the last year, and I think that was appropriate because the industry has invested a lot of money in building steel capacities, and we didn't want to be at the mercy of somebody else's problems, right? And the government's moved very fast to help us deal with that. MIP was always a temporary measure, and wherever the government has seen value in an anti-dumping duty or seen logic in it, which is supported by the numbers, they have implemented it and removed MIP wherever anti-dumping has come in. Just now the international prices are higher than the MIP level, so honestly, Indian steel companies are actually exporting today rather than imports.